Okay, today we're going to demonstrate point of source collection with our explosion-proof FRV110 and 1400. The material we're using is Dextrose. You'll see how fine this material is when you're pushing it into a drum. It just creates this smoke-like dust. So as you're transferring material from one drum to the next, you want to make sure that you have a decent amount of velocity in the drum. So right now I've got a vacuum here. It's a 110 volt vac. Just going to help me as I'm scooping the dust out, collect that smoke that's in here. Over here we have a FRV1400 with a 3-inch fume arm. You're going to set that down into the circumference of the area you're trying to collect. You don't want it above, you want it down inside. That'll put that area under negative pressure. So now as you take the material and drop it down into the drum, it wants to come out. You'll see all that dust roll into it. I don't know if you can grab that or not. Did you see that? Can you see that down in the drum from that angle? Okay. So, as we scoop this material, we've got a tremendous amount of dust trying to escape that drum, but it's all going into the area. So, what if you're trying to pour larger amounts in a drum? Go ahead, pour all that in there. You'll see that drum is actually taking all that material, that arm is taking all that material out of the drum, collecting it at the source, so there's no airborne dust. Large amounts of fine dust being put into a drum. Look how it wants to escape the drum, but it can't because we have high velocity across that drum. Keep pouring that material in, and that dust is not going to escape that drum. That's what point of source extraction using high velocity, that's the results. Okay, so now we have a fair amount of dust in this drum, and you can see this is powder. Look how it moves around like water. This is fine dextrose powder, ultra fine. We're going to pour a large amount into a 55-gallon drum all at once. Watch it go down in there and try to escape. But we have high velocity point of source extraction. So, all that material gets captured right into the high velocity extraction point.